How to fix can't type on search bar on Windows. What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this problem. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is just go ahead and open up your search bar and then tap on it. Now you can just go ahead and search for anything you want, but if you're not able to type here like I can, then what you need to do is press Windows plus R to open your run command. And then right here, you're going to have to paste this command right here. So just copy this or pause the video to read out the command and type in just as it is. Now just go ahead and press on OK. And after doing this, your search bar should start working and you should be able to type in your search bar. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.